Well, hello, I am back. In my last video, I had shown you all the items that I was contemplating on keeping or getting rid of. I have new things have arrived. If you follow me in my Instagram stories, I showed you a sneak peek because I had shown you this Catrice lip balm. It says the Powerful 5. I got a color, but it's very sheer. The color I got was raspberry cream. That doesn't make any sense because it's like a nude. But I'm gonna put it on now because my lips are hurting. They're so dry. It's been quite cool here. It's been sitting in the 35 degrees temps here in Houston. So my lips and my skin need moisture. So as you can see, or as you may not have seen, this is just, here's the applicator on it. It's just a sheer lip balm, like here. So there it is on my lips. Or there it is, but look, it shears out to nothing. So, but it does feel nice. It does feel very balmy. And so therefore it's staying in my arsenal. So, excuse the hair. I'm trying the curly girl methods lately. First thing you'll notice is that I already have my eyes done. Sorry if you hear crunching, that's my dog below me. I didn't get any new eyeshadows. I don't need eyeshadows. I don't need anything really, but I didn't pick up any eyeshadows. So the first thing I'm going to put on my face is this True Skin by Catrice. And I got the color Warm Beige 020. It looks very light, so maybe it's my winter color. But I've already primed my face. I've already, moisturized my face. So I am just going, and it comes in a pump. And I'm going to put this on my face. And it's looking a little light. When I put it on my hand, it looked as though it could go pinky. So I'm hoping that's not the case. I just did one pump. And it looks like with this blender, I'll probably have to do two. Wow, it's very dry. Like it's drying, it's almost drying down to like if it's a powder. It's making my skin look very ghostly and as though I have powder on my face already. So I know the color is light, but the color actually happens to match. So 020 is a good match for my pale skin right now. But this stuff is totally like powder. So I don't know how to describe it. Like it's doing a really good job. My setup isn't that great lately, but it is what it is. Okay, I got a ring light, but it's small, so it sits to right over here, and it just, yeah, things are not good. Okay, so first impressions of this. Man, it dried down matte big time. I don't think drier skin people are going to care for this. True Skin Hydrating Foundation, Hyaluronic Acid Long Wear. I could see this being long wear because like I said, when I put it on my skin, it dried down immediately. It's almost as though my skin went yeah. Oh, darn it. I had this. I had a primer. I'll have to do that in another video. So that will be used in another video. Okay. Well, dum. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. So now that it's sitting on my skin, it looks a little better. Initially when I put it on, like I could see all my peach fuzz. It's almost as though it lifted up all my peach fuzz in a powder. You know what I mean? But now that it's sitting on my skin, it's looking a little better. But I mean, this stuff immediately dried down. It dried down so fast. It is a good skin match. I just hope that it does not oxygenize. What is that word? You know what I'm talking about. When it gets darker or it changes colors. But currently it looks good. The next thing I got is this from L'Oreal. It is the 24-hour Fresh Wear Powdered Foundation. And I'm going to use this more as a setting powder. I'm not going to use it as a full Fledge foundation, you know, like with their little poof that they send you. I'm just gonna use this to set my powder, or set my foundation. Because yesterday I didn't set my foundation, and boy did I get oily. My forehead and my nose were so oily. So making sure I concentrate that powder up here. And this is a good color match too. I got the color 245 Radiant Honey. That is the color I got because it looks a little darker in the pan, but on my skin it's looking good. Bring it down just in case it is a little darker. And yeah, this guy on my nose, it's just won't go away. Okay, so yes, I used this powder foundation to set everything. I need to set my under eyes really quickly. My skin just looks so much better with this foundation versus the foundation I used yesterday. Way better. Okay, so I got a new blush. I got this Milani. I actually got 3 new blushes, but I think I'm going to return. I got these e.l.f. putty blushes, but man, they're oily. I swatched them and they were so oily. So I got these Milani. This is the Nude Cheek Kiss, and I got it in Nude Kiss. And I'm just taking a stippling brush. And that's a pretty color. I probably shouldn't have set my face yet, because I see that it's kind of lifting what's underneath. That's okay. I mean, my mistake. The color is really pretty though. I'd love this on my lips. It could be a really pretty color on my lips. But I probably shouldn't have set my face yet. So, this color is very glowy. We'll see how it wears throughout the day. But this is the Milani Cheek Kiss and Nude Kiss. 110 Nude Kiss. And it's a real pretty color. So, like that. From Makeup Revolution, it's called the Laminate Brow. Now how I saw them doing it on, oh, look at that tiny little brush. Love that. I saw them using the laminate part on Instagram. So they'll do their brows first. They'll set their brows. Okay, they're gonna set their brows. So put it in the shape you want. And then, so that's just a clear, call it laminate, and that brush was tiny. And then they took the other side, and it's very, very, very fine, and made brush-like strokes from what I saw. Okay, and what I am seeing, I got dark brown. It's very warm. It looks red. It's very warm. And I like a more cool, tone. It's very reddish. On my skin, it's coming across very red. No. Oh my god, no. I look like I have strawberry eyebrows. This has to go back. Wow. That's awful. Like it, I don't know if you can, I don't know if you could see that. It's, man, I had such high hopes because of that little bitty brush. It looks so pretty. But my eyebrows look like I just put straight up strawberry eyebrows on. It almost looks like I'm trying to go monochrome with my blush. That's how it looks. Yeah, this has to go back. No way, Jose. Darn it, I'm gonna have to fix that. I'll be back. That I'm going to show you today is this mascara. I did get a mascara and I don't know where the heck it is. From Maybelline, the Sky High Maybelline mascara. I still had it in the bag. I have the Maybelline Sky High mascara. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I also bought these Kiss magnetic lashes. BoxyCharm had sent me a pair of magnetic lashes and I really liked them. You just put the liner on and then the lashes stick to the glue. So I really enjoyed that. So I will be giving that a, you know, there's a special occasion. Like I'm just going to the store right now. But so I have that Sky High mascara and then I also bought this one, the Essence Bold 24-Hour Volume mascara. So I'm going to use this one today. So this is the way the wand looks. Very small wand and very spiky. Okay, that's I do not buy high-end mascaras anymore. I get them in my BoxyCharm, or I wait for like a real good sale with Ulta where they've knocked it half off. This reminds me a lot of my Too Faced Better Than Sex. Like the volumizing that I'm getting from this, it's reminding me of the Too Faced Better Than Sex. The thing I do see that I'm getting that I don't really get with my Too Faced, I'll get a little ball at the end that I have to pull out. But that's with several coats, and man, they look really good. So look, I like that. All right, so in conclusion, this was a great mascara, even on first use. A lot of times with mascaras, you have to use it several times, and first use, I like it. This is the Milani Nude Kiss Cheek Kiss, and I think it looks really pretty. It just looks so like natural on my cheeks. It has a little bit of a glow, and I like it. This right here, when I put it on, I was like, ooh, it looks like powder. Now that it's kind of settled on my skin, it looks really good. So when I go out into the sun, I will see if it looks pink or anything, because you can never really tell in the lighting, you know, when you're doing your makeup. This right here is a nice balm. I think I've been doing a lot of talking, so it's kind of worn off. But it's just that. It's just a little lip balm. It says it has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, shea butter, green tea, goji berry. So you can't expect any more from this. Like, you can't expect it to be, I mean, it is what it is. It's just a nice lip balm with the applicator. This foundation here, this powdered foundation, it was a good color. It was a good color match for me. It's Infallible 24-hour fresh wear. I got it in Radiant Honey. These were good. The only thing that I'm bummed about was this right here. The color was just awful. I liked how small the little wand was on the end of the applicator. But yeah, it's no good. So I do still have my Sky High mascara that I need to test out, but that's it. That is it for what I purchased at the drugstore. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you, got some insight on what you may like. If you're into cream blushes, I highly recommend this. If you have skin like mine, where it's on a little bit of the dry, oily side, then you probably would enjoy this. I don't know if somebody with drier skin than mine I don't know if they're gonna enjoy this, because I mean, immediately putting it on, it was like, like on my skin. Someone with dry skin, I think it's gonna stick to every little patch that they have. this Maybelline Essence 24-hour bold volume mascara. Big hit. That's it. If you're looking for a good lip balm that you can, you know, not have to put your finger in, then this is what you would enjoy. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
1, 2, 3, I don't know who else to be. 4, 5, 6, like they say I can't be fixed. 1, 2, 3, your attention's all I need. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip. 1, 2, 3